Hello guys, welcome back to Explore World channel once again. After an amazing New Year night celebration, next day it was time for us to explore the Sakleshpur sightseeing. So if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and hit bell icon to get more updates. Our first stop was 8 km from Sakleshpur bus stop. Manjehalli Waterfalls is about 20 feet long waterfall nestled between the lush green hills at a distance of 8 km from Sakleshpur. Also known locally as Abbi Falls, cascading from 20 feet, are best visited during monsoon, but you have to be careful while taking a dip in the gurgling stream or walking on the slippery rocks. The waterfall can be visited from morning up to evening 5:30 pm. The 1 kilometer trek through the Manjehalli village to the waterfall at a mountain foothill is enchanting as you pass through the coffee plantations and endemic flora while getting an opportunity to interact with the villagers. During the monsoon season, the flow of the water increases, which makes it best time to visit. Picnic and overnight camping facility are available by the Manjehalli Fall, but during monsoon you should be careful from reptiles and rising water level. In case of security issues, there are guards on patrol. Usually in winter or in summer, there is hardly any stream in the waterfall at those times. But we visited on January 1st and enough water was present to enjoy. A cool bathe beneath the gurgling stream is a refreshing activity. Enjoying standing beneath the waterfall is an activity of sheer joy and excitement for everyone. However, you need to be careful of the slippery rocks and heed with caution when going under the waterfalls. The spot is ideal for those who wish to spend time in the lap of nature, away from the clamor of city life. The area around the waterfall is covered in a blanket of mist, creating an ethereal atmosphere that's perfect for photography enthusiasts. An iconic landmark and one of the most sought places to see in Sakleshpur is Manjarabad Fort. A star-shaped massive fort constructed by Tipu Sultan in 1792 is located at height of 988 meters, approximately 3,241 feet above sea level. Manjarabad Fort is a must-visit place in your checklist when you visit Sakleshpur. Tipu Sultan built the fort in 1792 at a time when he was establishing his power over Mysore, fighting against other South Indian dynasties. At this time, even the Marathas and Nizam of Hyderabad had aligned with the British. The Sultan wanted to make the highway between Bangalore and Coorg to secure for his expansion programs. Because he was allied with the French at that time, against the British, he sought the help of French engineers to build a star fort of European style. Manjarabad Fort got its name from Kannada word Manju, which means fog or mist. So when Tipu Sultan visited fort after its completion, there was a mist all over above the fort, hence the name. Although the fort is constructed in a European style, the raw materials used to build the fort included granite stones and lime mortar for exterior walls, and the interiors are constructed with the fired bricks. The fort was used to store army barracks and armory and to store gunpowder. The lush greenery, muddy trails, uneven hillocks, valleys, streams, and dense forest are the views you can expect while standing on the fort wall. The unbelievable formation of nature lovers and history enthusiasts spellbound. The fort is famous for its misty views, hence the best time to visit the fort is during winter or post-monsoon. The fort is open from 8 am to 6 pm and there are no entry fees. After visiting two beautiful places, we stopped at Osur Cafe for a quick refreshment and had a nice coffee and called it for the day. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit bell icon to get more updates on entertaining travel videos.